Hi everyone, we are going to solve systems of equations, linear systems of equations, word problems in this video. Kim bought 4 shirts and 3 pairs of jeans for $109.85. Jim bought 6 shirts and 1 pair of jeans for $94.95. We just need to write equations that just models this problem. Each shirt costs the same amount. Each pair of jeans costs the same amount. All right. What is the cost in dollars of one pair of jeans? This is the question. Let's say I'm going to use S for uh, one shirt price. Let's say uh, shirt price, unit price, right? And then I want to use J for uh, the price for a jean. A pair of jeans price. This is a jeans price. All right. So for 4 shirts, Kim is going to pay $4 plus for 3 pairs of jeans, she's going to pay 3 times J, 3J dollars, and the total was $109.85. All right. Second equation is this. Jim bought 6 shirts. 6 shirts is 6 times S dollars. And 1 pair of jeans, only 1 J, right? 1 times J is itself, $94.95. This is my system that models this real world scenario. What is the cost of 1 jeans? I'm looking for J. All right, so I need to get rid of uh, S value. So we have some multiple ways. We can either graph, which is not practical. At the end, if you can graph the first line and the second line, intersection point is going to be your solution. We are not looking for this method because it is not practical. It's going to take a lot of time to graph. Second one was substitution. One variable was not defined in terms of the other one, or we can eliminate. So to eliminate S value, so I have an idea. Why don't we multiply the first equation by 3? If you do that, if you multiply everything by 3, you can create 12s from here. So you need to get negative 12 down here. So let's multiply the second equation by negative 2, multiply by negative 2. If you do that, you can create right here negative 12s, and you can eliminate s values. This is the plan. All right then. 3 times 4s is first equation. I'm rewriting the first equation. 12s plus 3 times 3j is 9j. $109.85, and I need to multiply this by 3. Let me use my calculator. 109.85 times 3 is $329.55. So let me rewrite the second equation. Negative 2 times 6s is negative 12s. Negative 2 times j is negative 2j. And negative 2 times 94.95 times negative 2 is negative $189.90. All right. When you add them vertically, you just create a 0 here. 12s negative 12s is going to be a 0. What is left? You have 7j here. 9j minus 2j is 7j equals, let me find this difference, $329.55 minus 189.90, 139.65. All right. So I need to make division. If you divide both sides by 7, you can isolate J. I can find the unit price for one pair of jeans. 139.65 divided by 7 equals $19.95. This is the unit price for a pair of jeans.